Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Aditya Bagas as moderator, and my partner is Dennis, Moga, Asep, and Naufal. We are from Group 3. Okay, next in this presentation, we will discuss about testing method for erosion resistance. Okay, I will explain definition. The ability of a refractory to sustain the mechanical erosive action of sliding burden, moving product, liquid melt, and slab. Flowing gas, e.g. hot flue gas laden with solid particle, is termed as erosion resistant. Corrosion resistant refers to the ability of refractory brick to resist erosion and erosion of various erosive media at high temperature. This erosive media include various slag, blast furnace, electric furnace, converter, refining furnace, non-reference metals, melting furnace, and many more. Corrosion resistance is a very important indicator to measure the chemical resistance and mechanical significant to make reasonable selection of refractory bricks for the correct production process. Okay, next.
Here I will discuss about significant. The flowing fluid, liquid, or gas cause erosion of the refractory due to mechanical friction between solid refractory and solid burden, or solid refractory and fluid, molten gas, or slag or gases. This mechanical erosion becomes more aggressive when the flowing fluids are laden with solid particle, then the solid-solid abrasion cause more erosion. This mechanical erosion of the refractory becomes the cause of its failure during service. The erosion of refractory could be improved by regulating the mechanical property of the refractory material, for example, porosity, density, and grain bonding strength. In the case the erosion is prevented by using armored bricks. The steel armor plate provided to brick surface can sustain the working temperature below 400 degrees Celsius and prevent being erosion by hot gas laden with dust particle. Next.
Test method. The abrasion behavior of the refractory is tested at room temperature and assessment is made for its suitability for a given application. This method determines the volume of refractory material abrade from a flat surface of a test piece placed at a right angles to a nozzle trough with 1 kg size grade silicon carbide. Particles are blessed by compressed 450 kilopascal air in 450 seconds. The test method carried out using the ASTM standard is ASTM C704. This test method covers the determination of relative abrasion resistance of refractory brick at room temperature. This test method measures the volume of material in cubic centimeter, averaged from a flat surface at a right angle to a nozzle trough with 1,000 grams of size grade silicon carbide. Grain is blessed by air at a prescribed air pressure. And abrasion media is silicon carbide 80% 3000 mu m plus 20% 600 mu m size.
Test Partus. The test is done in an airtight chamber fitted with arrangement to blast abrasive powder SiC through a nozzle onto a refractory test sample. 100 millimeters times 100 millimeters times 25 millimeters. From top located at 200 millimeters. From sample surface 100 millimeters times 100 millimeters. Are maintained as per IS 1528 until 23 standard. The erosion tester is used for measuring the erosion resistance. of refractory test pieces at elevated temperature and mainly consists of blasting device, a pressure regulating chamber, a sample chamber, and other components. Next.
Test procedure. The first, turn on the air pressure. Regulate the air pressure to the pressure indicated by the most recent calibration of the abrasion tester. Check the air pressure before and after the abrasion media is run through the system. The second, plug the abrasion media. After the air pressure to the gun and the chamber pressure have been adjusted, plug the abrasion media fidelity by closing the opening of the lower funnel. If the vacuum gauge does not read a minimum vacuum 3000 dB millimeters of mercury, then check the position of the glass nozzle in the glass gun. If correct, the position of the glass nozzle does not correct the problem, then check the condition of the venturi. Condition of the abrasion media fan and the glass gun.
Conclusion. The first conclusion is erosion resistant testing is carried out with an abrasive test that refers to the STM C704 standard, where this test is carried in a earthquake chamber equipped with arrangement for blasting abrasive powder (SIC) through a nozzle to the flame retardant test sample 100 mm times 100 mm times 25 mm from above located at 200 mm from the sample surface 100 mm times 100 mm. The second conclusion is erosion in refractory is generally caused by mechanical friction between solid and refractories. Okay, there is a reference that we use. Okay, thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. See you next time.